Hi, welcome to Maths Nipuna, your maths buddy.
Okay, we look at question number 11. 18 cubes are colored white or gray or black. So that means we have a three type of cubes. This is white, this is black, and then let's say this is the gray color, this is the gray color. There are 18. The 18 means at one layer we have 9. Okay, top layer we have 9, bottom layer we have 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Arranged as shown in figure 1. Figure 2 shows the white and black parts. That means they take out the black part. Okay, the top one is the black part of it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They take out. And then the white color we can see from here, visually can see 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, 4 cubes in this block. Means they take it out. So the balance must be, now this is 4, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. The balance must be, we have extra 7. Okay. Which of the following is the gray part? Okay, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, first we look at the balance parts. We have 7. So this one got 3, 4, 5, 6. Because total is 18. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 18 minus 4 is already 14. And then we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means take out another 7. Means 14 minus 7 is 7. Means here must be we have 7. But this one we have 3 plus 3 is 6. So this answers almost out. Okay, out. We got only what 6. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also our first look at according to the balance cubes. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, out there. C also out. Okay, D we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So D also out. Okay, only left E. That means answer should be E. Okay, so this is one way we can find the answer. But let's say we have year 7, year 7, year 7. So we cannot decide which one is the correct answer. But this one, luckily, we have others are not 7, only one got 7. Okay, if they give more than one answer with 7 cubes, then you have to this question you have to try to imagine. Imagine what will happen. We'll take out these sheets, these cubes. Let's say this one. Okay, I do it in PowerPoint, so I can just take it out. Let's say you take it out this one. Normally the gray you can see here down. Let's say take it the second one, third one. This is all the black cubes. I take it out all the black cubes. So I take it out all the black cubes. It will be looks like this. Okay. So now I try to take it out the white color also. White color. I take it out 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the white color. I take it out. So now balance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and then the shape is like this. This is here got 6 and here got 1. It's something like E. Yeah. So the answer is E. But for this question, I think you can just count the balance remaining cubes because you are just standard 3 and standard 4. It won't be very tough question. Okay. You just count the balance cubes and then just decide from here. Okay. So that's all for question number 11. The answer is E. Okay, question 12. This is also a very interesting question. Okay, there are 5 balls shown. The 5 balls shown begin to move simultaneously. Simultaneously means they are moving together. Okay, all moving at the same time. The direction of indicated by the arrows. That means the 10 is going to right, 9 going to right, 3, 7, 20 is these 3 are going to left. Okay. When 2 balls going in opposite direction, okay, let's say one is going right, one is going right, they collide. Okay, the bigger ball swallow the smaller ball, so they will eat the small ball. Like this one, the 11 will eat the 4. So the 4 will go inside the 11 and 4 goes inside the 11. So 11 become 15. It become a bigger. Okay, and increase its value by the value of smaller ball. Just plus it. When they collide, you put the small number into the big circle and just plus it. So make it 15, and then they will go to the direction where the big ball was before previously. The bigger ball continued to move in its original direction as shown in figure 2. So I think you well understand this one. First of all, you have to understand what is happening here. Okay, now, what is the final result of the collision of the 5 balls? Okay, now we look at 5 balls. We have 5 balls. Okay, we look at bigger way. Okay, like this. Okay, we have 10, 9, okay, 3, 7, and 20. Okay, now logically, when we make a first move, everybody is moving. 10 is going to right, 9 is going to right, 3, 7, 20 going to left. And then what will happen at the first stage? Which can you guess me? Tell me which one will be collide? Okay, so at the first stage, if the correct answer, which one is collide? Okay, so I make okay. These two will collide, correct? Because 7 is coming at the back, 20 is coming at the back, and 10 is behind the 9. So 9 and 3 will be collide. So when they collide, what will happen? They will become, okay, 9 will swallow 3. Okay, 9 will eat 3, and this become 12. Sorry, 12. Huh? Okay, the other balls are still moving at the same direction. Okay. Okay, these two balls will move this direction. The 10 also move this direction. Okay, and then now 12. We have to decide where the 12 will move. Because previously 9 is going to right. So now 12 will goes to right. Okay. Okay, now the second part. What will happen? This one has a began, this was a behind. So 7 and 12 will collide. Okay, so opposite direction. So when 7 and 12 collide, what will happen? So 12 will swallow the 7. So 12 makan eat the 7. So the answer will be 12 plus 7 is 19. So the other two will be moving on the same direction. There is no changes for 20 and 10. So 19 will be moving towards, because 12, so 19 will follow the in direction to the right. Okay, now the third part, what will happen? These two will collide. Okay, 19 and 20 will collide because they are opposite direction. So when 19 and 20 collide, what will happen? 19 will swallow 20. So it's become 19, 20 will swallow 20 because 20 is bigger, bigger. So 20 will eat 19 and the total becomes 39. And then what will happen? The direction, it will goes to this direction. Okay, it follow 20. So the 10 is still here. Okay. So this is the third one. Okay. And the last one, there is no other thing. There is no other balls. Only these two balls is moving. So 10 and 13 will collide. 13 will swallow 10. So it's become 39 plus 10, which is 49. And then 49 will follow. Finally, okay, I put it here. Okay. So it will be 49. And then 49 will follow which route? It will follow 39, the biggest one, to the right, to the left. Okay, so this will be the final decision, final answer. So the answer for question 12 is C, 49, which is moving to the left. Okay, question number 13, this is more on conclusion. And in an ice cream shop, there's some money in drawer. After selling 6 ice creams, so I just make a line, underline it. There are 70 euros in the drawer. Okay, 70 euros. Euros is something like ringgit Malaysia. For Malaysian student, it's a ringgit Malaysia, but only euro is we are using in Europe. Okay. After selling a total of 16 ice cream, okay, after selling 6, he got 70 euro. After selling 16 ice cream, he got 20 euro. Okay, put a color in the drawer. How many euros were there in the drawer at the start? Okay, they didn't tell us how much was the money in the drawer before he started the business. But after selling 6, he got 70 euros. Maybe 70 euros is included with the initial amount. Okay. And after selling a total of 16 ice cream, there are 20 euros in the drawer. Okay, now what we do for this question? Okay, we just put the statement one. So initially we don't know how much money we have. I put dollar sign for the money. So this is in euro. After sell 6 ice cream, he got 70 euro. Okay, after sell 16 ice cream, got 120 euro. So for this question, for your level, okay, higher level I will do another method. But your level, first what you do, you compare how much money you earn from the second to the third, and then how many ice cream is sold from second to third. Okay, here you already sold 16 ice cream. That means from here you want to go to here. Okay, you sold another. Okay, so you make now previously 6, now 16. That means he sold 10 ice cream. Right. Okay, sorry, 10 ice cream. He sold 10 ice cream. Okay, that means from year to year he sell 10 ice cream. Okay, this one on it, which is equal to how much? How much money he got? Okay, it got 70 euro here. You got 100 euro, 120 euro. That means you minus 120 minus 70, you got 50 euro. I put just E here. There's another symbol for euro, but I just put E to make it easy here. That means from year to year, he sold 10 ice cream and he got 50 euros. That means if 10 ice cream equal to 50 euro, one ice cream is how much? So you have to find that. Okay. So if 10 ice cream is 50 euro, one ice cream is what? So what you do? You have to 50, we divide, okay. I put this symbol by 10. Okay. If you confused with this symbol, I can say 50. Okay. We divide. Okay, we divide. Normally you use this symbol, I think. Still standard 3 student. Okay, divide 10. Okay, 50 divide 10 equal to 5. 50 divided by 10 equal to 5. That means one ice cream equal to 5 ringgit, 5 euro. Okay. So now from year to year, he sold 6 ice creams. If one ice cream is 5 euro, okay, look at from this part to this part. Okay. Okay. I put in another color. Okay. That means from year to year, he sell 6 ice cream. Right. Okay. If one ice cream equal to 5 euro, then 6 ice cream equal to, okay, how much? 6 times 5 equal to 30 euro. That means from year to year, you only earn 30 euros. Okay, I think I understand this one. But the money here is 70 euro. I mean, what is the initial money? That means what you can say, just can say from year to year, you earn only 30 euro. Okay. From year to year, you earn 50, it is given. 70 plus 50, 120, or 120 minus 50 is 70. Now to find this one, 70 minus 30 equal to 40 euro. So this is how you are going to discuss calculation. This is a bit calculation. So you are now moving towards the advanced question. You will have more calculations. Okay, so the answer is, okay, the answer is C. Okay, that means initially he has 40 euros in the drawer. Okay. Okay, question number 40. The koala ate some leaves from 3 branches. Okay, the same question I saw in the previous, in pre-Ecolier, but pre-Ecolier a little bit easy, but yours is just a bit tough question. Each branch has 20 leaves. If the koala ate a few leaves from first branch, then he ate as many as leaves from the second branch as were left on the first branch. Okay, Then it ate 2 leaves from the third branch. How many leaves? Okay, this is a bit confusing. Okay, we go one by one. Okay, now koala has 3 branches. So the tree got 3 branches. Okay, this is from the our first statement. I make it bigger. You see what is our first statement? The koala ate some leaves from 3 branches. Okay, 3 branches. I will put branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. Okay, each branch has 20 leaves. Okay, each branch has 20 leaves. So here got 20 leaves, here got 20 leaves, here got 20 leaves. Okay, total 60 is okay. What will happen? The koala ate a few leaves from the first branch. Okay, from here the koala will come here and then it go and eat some leaves. We don't know how many leaves they didn't give. Okay, so let's say just put on assumption it ate 3 leaves here. Just an assumption. So they didn't give you, but we just put a number. Let's say he ate 3 leaves. Okay, if he eat 3 leaves, what is the balance? So the balance will be 17 leaves, correct? Okay, you only ate 3 leaves, so the balance is 17. Okay, now the koala go to the second branch. They say first branch. From the second branch as well leaf left on the first branch. Okay, so you ate. Okay, how many is left here? The balance number of balance here, it will 8 here. That means here we have balance 17, correct? Okay, so that means the koala will go here and it will eat 17 leaves. Okay, so what is the balance here? You will eat here. Okay, now go to the third one. Okay, it ate 2 leaves from the third branch. Third branch, they didn't give anything, they didn't get directly give you answer. She ate 2 leaves. Okay, so when he ate 17 here, how many is left here? We have 3, correct? And then, okay, make it small. Okay, I cannot see the. Okay, so here, how many balance at this branch? From 20, it ate only leave 2 leaves, then balance is 18. Now the question, how many leaves in total were left on the 3 branches? So here we got 17, here we got 3, here we got 18. 17 plus 3 is 20, 20 plus 18 is 38. Okay, maybe you can ask me, sir, why you put 3 here? If what will happen, I put 12 here. Okay, I get same answer because this and this and first branch and second branch it will left 20. Okay, if we try with 12, let's say I put 12. Okay, here we have balance 8. Right. If here I got balance 8, at this branch it will only eat 8 leaves. Okay, then the balance will be 12. That means always this answer and this answer same, and this answer and this answer same. When this is happen, the total balance here is 20. Whatever you do, whatever number you put, you can try other numbers. So the total balance from here to here is always 12. 20. Okay. So what you have to do, this one already fixed value. They say only 2. So balance must be 18. So 20 minus 18. Yes, 20. Okay, so this is why we can put any value, can test with any value. Okay, so the answer for the question 14 is E38. Okay, let's look at question number 15. On a tall building, there are 4 fire escape ladders. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Shown in figure 1, the highest of 3 ladders are at their tops. Okay, this is the top of the building. Building 1. We have 1, 2, 3 building also. 3 building. The height, sorry, not the height. The height of 3 ladders are at their tops. Okay, this is the height 32. We don't know, unknown. This is 36. This is 48. Okay, we have 3 buildings. What is the height of the shortest ladder? This one. This is the shortest. Okay, this question. What you have to do? Okay, just make a line. Okay, they say these 2 is same height. Okay, you put one line. These 2 at same height. Just we cannot see it's the same because this is a 3D drawing. little bit there's an error, not error, there's a extra, but this is actually same. So you can put the second line, and then you can put the third line for the small building, and then last line at the bottom. Okay, just put a line. Okay, now we look at see this one. The tallest building is 48. Okay, put from this to this is 48, and this building is 36. Okay, so if this is 48, this is 36, you find what's the answer, the balance. Okay, that means this height from this line to this line, the height should be 48 minus 36, right? Okay, 48 minus 36 equal to what? Okay, 48 minus 36 equal to 12. That means this height, that means from this building, the second building to the top building, the tallest building, this height is 12. That is what we found first. Now we look at the another two lines. This line, this line and this line. That means from here to here. Okay, this building to this building is 32. It's given 32. This ladder is 32. If this is 32, so we know this is 12, correct? You already found earlier this is 12. Okay, if this is 32, if this is 12, this must be 32 minus 12, right? Okay, that means the height from this line to this line equal to 32 minus 12 equal to 20. So this is how you have to do this kind of question. You just make a lines and see the difference between two letters. Okay, now the answer is how much you got? 12. 20, 20. So the answer is D. Question 15. Okay, let's we look at question number 16. Okay, this question says Nora placed with 3 cups on the kitchen table. Okay, she got 3 cups, cup 1, 2, and 3. She takes the left-handed cup. Okay, this is the left-handed cup. Okay, she takes the cup. Okay, flip it over. Flip it over. That means puts it upside down. Flip it over and puts it to the right of the other cup. That means she take this cup and then put at the right of other cup and flip it over. Okay. The picture shows the first move. This is the first move. Initially it was like this, and the first move is goes here. 1 is flipped out, and then 2 is the normal position. What do the cups look like after 10 moves? That means you have to do one by one. You have to check one by one until 10. Okay. So maybe if 10 moves, okay, you can do all the moves until 1 to 10. But if this is 100 moves, then you have to use some methods to solve it. Okay, so what we do, we try to do this one and then find the what the sequence actually, what is happening. Okay, let's say we have initially, this is our initial position. Okay, we have 3 cups. Okay, so 3 cups, what we'll do at the first one, okay, we take this cup and then we put at the rightmost and flip it off. Upside down, put it upside down. Okay, this is our move number 1. Yes, right, it's the move 1. After first move, it will look like this. Okay, number 2, what will happen? I will put this one. Okay, move number 2. I take this cup and then I put at the right and I flip it. Now it's become like this, the second one after move number 2. Okay, now look at move number 3. What will happen? Maybe you can just draw and see what will happen. This one I take and I put at the right and flip it. Okay, this is the move number 3. So after 3 move, I found all the cups are already flipped down. Okay, then number 4. What will happen? Number 4, we'll get this one. I put at the back and then I flip it. It means it's become a straight, normal position. And then move number 5. Okay. Okay, if you move number 5, I take this one, put it here, and I flip it. Okay, then the cup is like this now. And then still we don't see any same position so far. And then when number 6, move number 6, I will take this one and put at the back and then I flip it, it's become like this. That means move number 6. This is already equal to the initial stage, correct? Initial, our what we call our initial one. So this is equal to 6. So next, what will happen? 7. Which will be 7? Okay, this is 6, is it? This is 6. Then this will be number 7. Right. Now we already got the sequence. Okay. And then this should be number 8. And then this should be number 9. And then this will be number 10. So this is how you have to solve this question. First, find the sequence where it is repeat again the same position. Okay, so this should be number 6, correct? Okay, same as number 6. So and then we it's called iteration, or it's a loop. Okay, so the same thing is happening again and again. Okay, this is a loop. Okay, so this is the answer for the question. 16 is flip and straight. Okay, B. This is our position. Okay, we look at question number 17. 7 cards are arranged as shown in figure 1. Means you have 7 cards, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. G, okay, 7 cards. Each card has 2 numbers on it. Okay, we have 2 numbers, 7 and 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and so on. One of numbers, one of them is written upside down. Okay, this one, okay. It means 7, 4 is upside down, 5, 3 is upside down. So you have to maybe, I think you see, you can know what is this number. The teacher wants to rearrange the cards so that the sum of the numbers in the top row the same as the sum of the numbers in the bottom row. Means sum on the top row must be same as the sum of the bottom row. That means you plus 7, 5, 4 to all this one, and you plus all this one, you must get a same answer. Okay. She can do this by turning the cards upside down. That means you can turn the card. Okay, this card. Okay, so for example, this card, she can turn like this. Okay, this card she can turn, so only that she can do. Okay. Which card must be turned? That means she only can turn one card. Okay, only one card she can turn. So the question is, which card can she turn? Okay. Okay, look at bigger picture. Okay, now first of all, what we do, we try to sum of the numbers. Okay, we have 7, 5, 4, 2, 8, 3, 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 7 by 12, 12 by 4. Okay, 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 3 is 29. Plus 2 is 31. So you can calculate as your own method. Okay, at the bottom one, you have 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus this one 10. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 plus 7 is 31 plus 7, 35. Okay, now we have to make these two sums equal. So what you do, okay, you look at the number. This is small number, this biggest number. So you take some number from the biggest number and give it to the small number. Okay, so first what I do, let's say I give 1. Let's say first I give 1. Okay, from here I give 1 to the top number. So that means when I give one number, okay, 1, I give 1. Okay, I give 1. Let's say I write here, I give 1. First just give 1. No need to give a very big number. So I give 1 to here, 35 will be minus 1. So this one I will get 34. Okay, because I already minus 1. Okay. And then the top one, I will get top one, this one I minus 1, this one I plus 1. This one I become 32. Correct? So when you have a 35, let's say balloons, one balloon you give to your friend. So you lose one balloon. So your number of balloons become 34. Your friend gain one balloon. The same thing, I do until I can get a same number up and down. So when I do again 34, I minus one more again, one more, let's say one more balloon, I give to my friend, mine become 33. Okay, my friend will get 1. So my friend get 33 also. 32 plus 1, 33. 35 minus 1 minus 1, 33. That means at the bottom, I have to minus 2. At the top, I have to plus 2. So you see which one we have the difference, bottom and top is 2. One is my minus 2. That means this one must be big number. I have to put it here. Okay. So if this one 7 and 4, the difference is 3. So cannot. My difference is 2 only here. 5 and 3, okay. So difference is 2. But this is small number. So if I turn upside down this one, okay, this one will be increased. Sorry, this one will be reduced, this one increased. So this one cannot. Look at number 3, 5 and 4. The difference is 1, so cannot. 5 and 2, difference is 2, 3, cannot. 7 and 8, difference is 1, cannot. 3 and 7, difference is 4, cannot. So 2 and 4, difference is 2. So this is can, and this is big number. So this is more suitable. So that means you can put 4 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Okay. Now you plus again, you'll get a 33 at the top and you'll get 33 at the bottom. So both become a same now sum. So the answer, this one is 4 and 2 is G. Okay, the number 1 to 9 are placed in the squares shown with the number in each square. Okay, question number 18. Okay, there are some numbers they'll put here 1 to 9 only. You can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 9. So that means each number you can use only once. Okay. The sum of all pairs of neighboring number are shown here. This is the sum. This box plus this box, you get 7. The first two box you plus, you get 15. Okay, the sum of the two boxes. So this one is this two, this one is this two. Which number is placed in the shaded square at the middle? Okay, now for this question, we have to just test with some numbers first. Okay, maybe you want to find this one. Okay, for this question, what you do, you look at the smallest number. Okay, 7, 9, 11, 9. Okay, 3. Okay, 3 is smallest number. So to get a 3, how we can get a 3? Here we have don't have, because using 1 to 9 only. Okay, to get a 3, we can do 1 plus 2. Correct. There is no other choices. 3 plus 0 cannot, because our number start from 1 until 9. So you only can do 1 plus 2. Okay, the other number, the other sum is not possible. Okay, that means to get this 3, okay, that means this box, okay, let's say I put A, this is B. So A plus B must be 3. So 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. So now my question, where should I put my 1? Either here or either here. One box is 1, one box is 2. 1 and 2 comes here. So I don't know. So for this one, maybe you can just try put 1 here, 2 here. Okay, it's up to you. You can put other way around. So for this question, I just put 1 here, 2 here. Okay, I want to test first. Okay, this is first possibility. Second possibility is this is 1, this is 2. If it is cannot happen, then I have to change. Okay, so let's say I start with 2 and 1. This is 1, this is 1, this 2 box is 9. You see here, this is 9. So 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay, this is 8 is a 15. But this plus this is 15. This is 8, this must be 7. Okay, now this is 7. This plus this is 11. So this must be 4. Okay, now this is 4, this is 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So that means this one cannot happen, because 4 cannot repeat 2 times. Each number you only can use once. So when you use 2, 1 here, this one become 4 and 4. You got 2 4s. So that means this combination is wrong. So delete first. Okay, this is called try and error. Now I put 1 here, 2 here. So I take out this one. Okay. Okay, now we try the next combination. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this must be 7 because 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 15, 7 plus 8 is 15. 8 plus what is 11? 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, 8 plus 3 plus what is 8? 3 plus 5 is 8. And then 5 plus 4, 4 is 9. So there is no repetition of the number. Okay, you want to put here also can. If this is 1, you can test also. This is 6 because 6 plus 1 is 7. And finally, this is 9. So now you see there is no repetition. Every number we only put one time. Okay, so that this is the correct combination. And ask what is the number in the shaded box. Okay, this is the shaded box. The number shaded box is 7. Okay, question number 19. Okay, Mia throws dart and ball, both 3, 9, 13, 14, and 18 points. Okay, so we have a 5 balloon. Each balloon has a points. Okay, that means when she throws the darts on this balloon, you get 14 points. Okay, and so on. She scores 30 points in total. Okay, when we sum of the see only throw darts, we don't know how many balls. Okay, maybe 3 or 4. This is cost 13 points. So after that, we have to when we plus sum all the numbers. Okay, we must get 30. So this question, what you have to do, you try to use these numbers and to make a 30. Okay, how you want to make a 30 using these numbers. Okay, so we see one by one. What are the best combination we can have? Okay, let's say we start with 3. Okay, I start with 3. So, and then I think the second balloon is 9, let's say. Okay, 9, put it here also. And then 9 plus 3 is 12. So to get 30, 12 plus what is 30? 12 plus 18. Okay, this is my first combination. 18 plus 9 plus 3 is 30. What will be the second combination? Say I put 33 and now I didn't take 9. Let's say I take 13. Okay, 13 plus 30, 13 plus 3 is 16. And then 16 plus 1 is 14. 30, 16 plus 14 is 30. The second combination. Okay, the third combination, let's say I put 3 also. Just now I already take 3, 9, 13, now I take 14. If I take 14, 3, 14, I already got the combination 3, 14, and 13, so I don't need doing it. Okay, let's say I take another balloon. Let's say I put 9 here. Okay, and then I try to take the second balloon, 13. 13 plus 9 is 21. So if I want to get 30, I have to bring another 9. Then only I can 20, I can get 30. But that is not possible because I got balloon number 9 is only once. This one also cannot. Okay. What other combination I can do if I bring my 13, 14 is already 27. It is already I got here 13 and 14 and 3. Okay, so I don't think so I can do any other combination unless these two combination. So if she want to score 30 points, that means she have to the 3 must have in both. Without these 3, she cannot make a 30 points. So she must have a 3 to make 30 points. So the answer is, the question is, which balloon does Mia definitely eat? Okay, without eating a 3, she cannot get a 30 point. You can test with other combinations, cannot. If I take 9, 13 also, I cannot move back. I have to get another 9. Okay, so this question you have to, this is what we call, I don't want to use very high mathematical words. So we can say some kind of logical sum. So the answer will be 3. Okay, question number 20, the last question for this paper. A box has fewer than 50 cookies. Okay, the cookies are less than 50. That means the answer cannot be more than 50. Okay, so the answer given also 12, 24, 30, 36, and 48. The cookies can be divided evenly between 2, 3, or 4 children. Okay, So whatever number this one, you have to check whether it is divisible by 2, 3 or 4. Because we want to divide to 2 children or 3 children or 4 children without a balance or remainder. However, they cannot be divided between 7 children. Okay, 2, 3, 4 can, but you cannot give to 7 children. If you give to 7 children, because 6 more cookies will be needed. Okay, if there's a 7 children, you give them equally, evenly, and then you still need extra 6 cookies to complete the dividing into evenly to the students. Okay, to the children's. Okay, now this question, what we do, this kind of question, you come up with from answer. Okay, you test each one on answer, which one is more accurate and more it is fulfilling the statements. Okay. Now what we do, first I take 12. Okay, they say it can be divided evenly between, I make it bigger, maybe. Okay, all of it. So it can evenly divide by 2. Is it 12 can divide by 2? 12 divided by 2 is 6. So no remainder. So this one is no need extra. Okay, we don't need extra. Okay, 3. If I 12 divided by 3, I get 4. So also no remainder. So no need any extra cookies. 12 divided by 4 is 3. There's no remainder. I don't need any extra cookies. 12 divided by 7. So we cannot 12 cannot divide by 7. But when you divide by 7, you got 1 and then remainder 5, correct? Okay, I think you can do the division. Normally you'll do like this is it. Put one line, put like this, right? As I know, you all do normally like this. The 12 you put inside, here you put 7. Okay, 12, 1 times 7 is 7. I think this is the division method you will do. Okay, so you want to fulfill this one. I need extra 2 more cookies because I have a remainder 5. If anybody give me 2 more cookies, so I got a remainder 7. Then I can give every children the second cookies. Okay, so that means this is not fulfilling our statements here. They say 6 more cookies. Okay, we need at least 6 more cookies. So okay, that means 12 cannot. You test with next number, let's say 24. Okay, 24 divided by 2, 12, no remainder. That means this is not possible. Okay, you test one by one. 24 divided by 3 is 8. No remainder and no need to talk about extra. Okay. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So there is nothing here. This is also nothing. 24 divided by 7. 24 divided by 7 is 7 times 3 is 21. 3. So balance 3. Remainder 3. So if I want to fulfill the cookies to all the students, I must add another, because this is 7. So I must add another 7. 4. Means this plus this must be 7. Plus this must be 7. Okay, that means this is also not fulfilling the question. So we test with the third answer. That's a 30. 30 divided by 2, 15. There is no remainder. So this is not working. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So this is remainder 0. This is not working. 30 divided by 4 cannot. Okay. That means according to this statement, it cannot divide by 4. So there is not possible. We test 30. 30 out because it also cannot divide by 4. 36. 36 can divide by 2 is 18. No remainder. I mean, this is nothing worry about this. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Okay, if you are good in time, I think you can do faster this question. 36 divided by 4 is 9. There's no remainder. Sorry, no remainder. So this one no need to add anything. 36 divided by 7. So you have to know the times of 7. 5 times 7 is 35. That means 5 times 7 is 35. The balance 1, remainder 1. So if remainder 1, I want to fulfill 7, then I must add 6. Okay, 6 plus 1, I got 7. Okay, that means it's fulfilling the first statement and also it's fulfilling the second statement. There are 6 more cookies. So this will be the correct answer. Okay. Let's say, no, I want to test also the next one. Okay, we test also the last one. Okay, to make sure we did for correctly here. 48 divided by 2 is 24. No reminder, no extra needs. 48 divided by 3 is 16. Okay, I think you can do the division. There is no reminder, that means there no need the extra. 48 divided by 4 is 12. Okay, so also no extra, no need extra anything. Sorry, no need no reminder, no need extra. Okay, 47 divided by 7, 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. So 49 cannot. So that means 7 times 6, 42. So balance we have 6. So we need extra 1. Also not fulfilling the second statement. Okay, so 48 also cannot. So the correct answer is 36. This is a one way, one method you can do this question. You come up with the answer. Some questions you must know. If you cannot solve directly because you are still very young, you don't have any algebra knowledge. Because algebra, when you go to higher level, we study that. So you have to do this kind of questions. You have to come up with the answers and then find the suitable answer. Okay. I think that's all for question number 20, and that's all for overall Ecolier 2021 paper. So I'll see you in next paper, maybe 2022, and next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.